Hey guys, it's Jessie here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another skincare review, and this time I'm going to be reviewing The Ordinary's AHA 30% BHA 2% peeling solution. I have seen this stuff all over social media and I've been super excited to get my hands on it. Randomly, it was really hard to find in like Priceline and like stores around Australia, but I did find that Pretty Little Thing randomly sold it, so I bought it from Pretty Little Thing, and I'll put the price up here because I cannot remember. But it was really affordable for what it was, and I was really excited to try it out because this product's meant to focus on your skin texture and the overall radiance of your skin. I don't usually go for chemical exfoliants, but I've just seen that they seem to be like a better approach to exfoliating than physical exfoliation, so I'm going to try and incorporate that into my routine. If you haven't seen it, this is what the solution looks like here. And it is like really, it's like a deep red, almost like blood-like in color, almost like a maroon reddish color. And it comes in like a little dropper bottle like this, which is very common for The Ordinary products. So yeah, the instructions on the back specifically say do not use this when your face is wet. So I made sure my face is super dry. Like I washed my face a while ago. So now I feel confident that my face is dry because I don't want any side effects happening during this time. So the instructions say to clean your face, wait for skin to dry, do not use on wet skin, apply evenly across the face and neck using fingertips, avoiding under eye area. Okay, avoiding the eye area in general. Then leave for no more than 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Do not use on sensitive, peeling, or compromised skin. Avoid the eye contour and contact with eyes. Make sure you wear sunscreen after using this because your skin will definitely burn. I do suggest always wearing sunscreen, guys. It's not optional, okay? It targets textured skin and uneven tones, which I have a problem with, so fingers crossed that this works. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out, and I've seen a lot of videos, guys, where people are putting this stuff on your face. It is essential when you're using skincare products to not contaminate your skincare products by using the dropper and applying it directly to your skin. Like that will contaminate all your products, so make sure that you do not do that. But I'm just gonna use about half of it. I'm gonna just put that on my hand. It looks so random. Okay, now I'm just gonna use my fingers and apply that. Hopefully I don't get this all over my face. It's quite thin, like thinner than I would have expected. I thought it was gonna be a bit thicker. Oh, it's kind of foaming up. Is that normal? Oh my god. Okay, I hope I don't have anything on my skin. I washed my face. It's kind of tingling, guys. I hope my skin can handle this. Fuck. I'm like ruining my skin, but it's kind of tingling on this side. It's a bit of a tingling sensation. The smell isn't terrible. I'm not gonna lie. It's not chemically or anything. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. The color kind of makes it look like it's gonna be really nasty. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, it's kind of tingling, girl. Oh my god, okay. I hope that I haven't killed myself. Oh my god, I hope my skin... I must have really sensitive skin because lately products have been doing the most on my skin and I'm a bit worried. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit worried because I've never had like extremely sensitive skin until lately. Okay guys, so that's applied and it looks as even as I can get it. I didn't put on a thick layer. This is what it looks like on my hand. And I'm just gonna let this sit for about like, it says max 10 minutes, but because I think my skin is like super sensitive, I'm gonna go for like 5 minutes and then I'm gonna come back with a washed face and hopefully my skin feels different. I really hope so. After all of this, it would be very good. Okay guys, I'm about to wash it off. Like it's been about 10 minutes. I was gonna leave it for 5, but literally it stopped itching like the second after I like left you guys. So I left it on for 10 minutes and I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off and then see how my face feels. Hopefully it's feeling smooth like a baby's bottom. I'll let you guys know. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've washed my face and when I tell you that my skin feels so soft right now, It's so nice. Like, it feels really, really soft. It feels like I've done like physical exfoliation. You know when you finish exfoliating your face with like a scrub or something and your face just feels like a baby's bottom? That's what it feels like. So I definitely would say this works in terms of exfoliating my skin and kind of like helping with my skin texture. The burning sensation, it was like a tingling sensation mainly on this side, went away as soon as like I went off camera. It went away. So I think maybe it was just like my skin's a bit sensitive on this side, but it wasn't painful. It wasn't like burning or anything like that. It was just like a bit tingly at first here, but then that went away pretty much straight away. So this might be something that I'm going to consider putting into my normal routine. I don't think you can use this too many times because it's got a lot of chemicals inside of it. So I would only use this about 2 times a week, which is probably what I'm going to start doing. And then I'll see how it works. But so far, I really like how it's improved my skin texture just in one go, which is really nice. A lot of products, you have to wait like a few weeks before you can actually see real results. So this is really nice. I think it's a good product. I found out that it was only $14. I got this for $14 from Pretty Little Things, so that's a pretty good price too. It looks like a little goes a long way. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be jumping on that chemical exfoliation bandwagon because I think it's a better way to exfoliate your skin. Sometimes you can cause more damage by actually doing physical exfoliation, which is going to counteract what you're trying to do, which is replenish your skin. So hopefully my skin is going to get better soon, and I'll let you guys know in a few months how this is going, but I think it's actually going to be a really good product. It's working so well so far, and I'm really excited. And it was very painless, very easy. 10 minutes is not that long of a time to put a mask on, so yeah, I was really happy about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure to thumbs it up and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this product down below. If you've tried it, what it's like for you, and if you got any skincare products that you want me to try. I'm like super excited to try skincare products. I'm like a skincare junkie right now, just trying to get my face together, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.